Hello, welcome back everyone. So, last time we talked about global warming, and do you still remember what global warming is? Global warming is the Earth getting warmer. Hey, look at this. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Anyway, how old are you now? On your birthday or every year you grow a little taller, right? Okay, so now let's think about the ocean. Over the last 100 years, global warming has made the seas around the world rise by 15 to 20 centimeters. But scientists say the seas could rise by another 100 centimeters in the next 10 years. So, 10 years later, think about what level the seas will reach. And then what about 20 years later, 30 years later, 40 years later? Maybe it's a little scary, isn't it? People who live near the sea will have big problems if the seas keep rising. Why will those people have a problem? Well, the change in sea level will also change the environment. It will change the habitats of fish and animals that live in or near the sea. And if that happens, maybe we will no longer be able to do some things. For example, look at this video. I'm feeding some birds, but maybe the birds will no longer be alive if the sea level rises too much. We don't know exactly what will happen, but whenever there is a change in nature, there are many other changes that happen. Greenhouse gases. Global warming is not new. The Earth has been naturally warming and then cooling for millions of years. However, the environmental changes that have happened in the last 200 years have been the fastest and biggest changes ever known. The climate is changing so quickly that most plants and animals will not have time to change along with it. Now let's look at how the average temperature on Earth has changed during the last 20,000 years. So up here we have the average temperature when compared to the years 1961 to 1990. So 20,000 years ago, the Earth was about 4.3 degrees Celsius cooler than it was from 1961 to 1990. And the temperature didn't change that quickly. As you can see, the years are going by. And okay, well, maybe you can just look at it by yourself. The temperature is still going up. And also, please pay attention to the years on the side. Now, at the end, we can see that the temperature has been changing, but the changes have been very slow and very small. However, recently the temperature has started to change a lot quicker, and it's going up at a higher rate. So we need to be careful because, as we said before, if the climate is changing too quickly, many plants and animals will not have time to change along with it. Many scientists believe these environmental changes come from greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are mostly made by humans, that's people. They are made when people burn fuel for energy. For example, cars burn fuel that becomes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that many people know about. But there are also many other greenhouse gases that come from the fuels used by power plants and many industries. Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.